my educational philosophy. So when I first started this class, or not this class, but this program, my first course, I did my philosophy of education and which philosophy I most sided with, which was pragmatism. John Dewey was also a pragmatist. He stated there were steps to this philosophy, which is recognizing the problem, defining the problem, the possible solutions, the possible consequences, and then observe and experiment to either accept or reject the idea as absolute truth. I still believe that is true. There's things with math and science that we have to figure out the problem, provide a solution, and experiment to find out the truth. Um, I also reflected back on my philosophy. I think every student learns differently. Some take a little bit more time than others, and that's why we need to use available resources to help them reach their goals, which also aligns with the accountability within Alliance impact values, because as teachers, we would use those resources to help students in achieving their standards. Even students that fall into the No Child Left Behind Act. Um, so some may fall behind or go unnoticed, but we need to make sure we can recognize them and use those sources. Another one is when we create our lessons, we need to differentiate. And I think that aligns with Alliance values for inclusion to engage, support, and include the diverse community. Um, we can support them. We need to believe we can help them and take them into consideration. Providing words of encouragement helps as well. According to Edupedia, pragmatist educators also value flexibility in teaching methods to accommodate individual and special needs. I still believe this is true, and even helping to foster growth mindset and change their thinking to positive self talk. So these are my philosophies I still believe in. Thank you.